Okay, so this is totally out of my comfort zone, but I'm gonna do it. I have a medical condition called ectodermal dysplasia. So all the teeth that I have are baby teeth, except for the two front ones, and they are a cap. With that being said, there's not a whole lot of options that I have. I do not have enough bone or root for dentures. And for some reason it'd be complicated for implants, which I'm kind of scared of anyway. So I've been looking at the On Veneers for quite a while. One of my friends got them, and I told her I would wait and see what happened, and if they were as great as I thought they were, then I would get them. Well, she got hers, and they were magnificent. So I got mine. I'll tell you that I don't have much self-esteem because of my teeth. I didn't, in any kind of pictures, when I smile, it's a closed mouth smile. And I feel like that if you can show your teeth, then you can show more emotion. So, here's what it would be if I smiled right now with no veneers or anything. And that's so embarrassing. I hate it. So, I got the veneers, custom made, everything super easy. Pop them in. Game changer. Complete game changer. I feel so much better with these. I feel like they look amazing. All my friends and my family love them. They're very comfortable. I can't thank the people at On Veneers enough, because they have really helped me so much, and I appreciate it more than they will ever know. So thank you for my pretty smile.